Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to clean Windows Update cache in Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So you can follow the steps. So first, click on Start menu, search CMD, and run the CMD as administrator. So here I have open CMD in administrator mode. So you have to run 3 commands basically here. So once open, type a command sc stop type this command, hit enter. Once run successfully, run one more command, del space c colon space slash Windows, under that software distribution, then download, then slash star dot star, hit enter. It will ask you yes or no, just type Y here and click enter. It will delete the complete distribution folder. It is asking again, so click Y, hit enter. Now it is completed. Now we have to start the service again. So type a command now, sc start. Hit enter. Now the service is started again. Type a command exit and close the CMD, and now restart the laptop and you are ready to go. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.